Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to build charts in Excel using Claude AI. So the most efficient way to use Claude for charting is by asking it to write a Visual Basic for Applications script. This automates the entire creation process. So yeah, what we need to do, head over here to the Claude. Now let's put in some example prompt like that. And now, yeah, what we need to do is just wait a few moments. In this time, we can open something in Excel. So let's jump into the Excel file. So right here. Now, what we are going to do here is press Alt and F11. Just like that, it will open Microsoft Visual Basics for applications. Now in this menu, this window, what we need to do is head over here to the Insert tab at the top and then select Module. All right. Now let's jump back into the Claude. So now you see that we have code right here. We will copy this code back to this window right over here. Okay, just like that. Okay, now the next step is basically to run this code. So how we do that? We just simply press F5 and yeah, let's debug it and it will go through, I hope. So after this code is running, we can check right here and yeah, as you can see, we have got here this graph. It doesn't show anything because we don't have any data right now in, but yeah, you can see basically if we put here some data, it needs to show right in our graph. So let's do something here just to make sure that it's working. And as you can see, it works pretty great. Yeah, like so. And yeah, this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the